It's a P and Q day with the number 9. I find myself at the place where I always give thanks to the forest. It's here that I come off the road into the forest and have a walk of, or a quest, I guess you would call it, so I can ask myself questions along the way. Minding my P's and Q's on a 9-day it was, the sign agreed. Trembling aspen, balsam poplar meet, the fence posts among them, in front, behind. Cow parsnips just beyond, scattered about. The questions arrived, the quest began, the cues of yes, the qualities of Poe. Water passing, soothing along, under the bridge, where to reflect. The thorns of the rose guarding the 9 among more of 7. Found the pattern, meaning, recognition. Thanks for joining me on this walk. A big request of you. Please watch lots of channel videos. It helps us all. And when you comment, we can learn together. Take care.